Hello, boys and girls.
Welcome
Back to another Screencast Smack Recorder video. And I never did a Theme Park Tycoon 2 video yet. But Reddit Stanton has created a theme park called...
Oh, he's here! He's here! He's here! He's here! Hi! Hi, Red!
Hi, Red.
Welcome to the next story. Hello. He's in the video. He made chat.
Doing
Hey,
vid.
we're doing this.
We are doing a
to the
vid.
kids.
We are doing a vid.
Yee. Out, here we go. Nice.
Swimming in the pool. Swimming in the
Oh,
ocean. I
We can do it. This is a flood of One Night Sky. Why? Let's go to why. Yes, first one to take out. Let's go.
This is a new ride. He just opened this area a couple of minutes
Oh
ago.
my God, let's go. Here we go.
And it's like, this is kidding. It's a little bit lagging. This doesn't lag on Screencast Smack Recorder. You don't know yet.
It does not.
Oh yeah, this is our part 2 of Theme Park Tycoon 2.
Yeah, video. We're waiting for the ride. Where's the ride?
This is a short vlog because you can only record for 15 minutes.
Yeah, we're gonna ride two rides. Accelerator and that ride. We're going carousel. Come on!
And let's get some exploring to show the park looks like.
Wait. Oh, going it. I'm going here. That carousel.
Yeah.
Woo!
This
Here we come!
The one through.
Please. Oh, you're hard.
Yeah, you don't know, Beach One is reopened at Beach Park if you don't know. I'll be doing also that video POV at the end of the video if you don't know yet.
Yeah. Oh, there's
Got-
Beach Park.
There's Beach Park over there if you don't
Yeah,
know.
you can see it.
Jake, where's your part?
It's right next to you.
Next to me.
Yeah, you can see me at Beach Park at Funland. Because you can ride accelerator.
Can ride accelerator. There's accelerator Alice Park. He's wanted to do it.
Yeah, I really want to do it, so... Oh, why... Let's let these now. So yeah, this is why you best...
Relax. When is this going to stop?
Oh my God, this is amazing. Where's this going to stop? Yeah! Stop it.
Just ride the rest
Stop it.
ride.
Stop it.
Until. Wait. Where's the X?
What? Oh! I almost went to the entrance. Oh yeah, let's go do accelerator. The last one today.
Guess what? It says something. Now open. It's now open. If you don't know.
It used to be mid-August. Mid-August is tomorrow. Mid is tomorrow. Tomorrow is fully together.
Tomorrow it's mid-August if you don't.
Yeah,
know. And Daddy's just doing something outside if you don't know.
You don't know this. Oh no, we're late for the ride. We're late for the ride. We are late for the ride.
Just going to bed.
Come on.
Yeah,
Jen.
the entrance.
Come on. Hop on for the ride. How do you hop on?
I think headed. I'm just like. I have it.
Oh, here we go.
We're going
Yay!
Okay, guys, sorry about the lag.
To the night time. To be a night time to us.
There's no guesses on board this ride now. That's
We
all.
can just go in the back one. Go in the back one. Go in the back one. Yeet.
I'll find some guesses.
Okay, until we see some guesses, we'll just see.
I see a guess.
We can go in the back one. Let's go in the back one. Let's go in the back one. Just...
Just waiting for that.
Yeah.
Some guesses going on.
Yeah, we can go in the back one. Go in the back one, mate. Come on, William. Go in the back before it's too late.
Yes, okay.
Wait. Sit down. New POV. We are on the back
I
one.
don't want to do POVs on here. Let's go do only POV on beach one.
Yeah, there will be a POV beach one after that. Oh my God. Do it. Use a POV camera.
Not one.
This man's gonna be lazy. Come on. No! No, man! I'm super sorry. Boom. You know this? No. I know this. accelerating.
Where?
Oh my god!
In a minute.
We're riding the coaster!
Almost it didn't run out.
Almost went.
Guys, watch my TV on YouTube if you don't know.
You're too tiny and big. I probably am.
I don't know
What's this radio? I know.
Let's start from this way. Why does the way watch it if you don't know?
On to out one. Let's go to out one first.
Out one.
We did a beach park tour last time.
And that was an old on beach one if you don't know.
Yeah, but it changed it now.
What we do.
It was Wi-Fi.
That's a staff room.
Do you see the staff room?
That's a staff room.
We enter.
Staff only. I can't.
We cannot enter. Hello? Hello, can we enter the staff room? Oh, this is stuff.
Doesn't teach.
Go to beach park. Let's go to beach park.
No, we're gonna explore the hub.
Goodness sake.
Okay, let's just go beach park.
Reset. Let's reset. Reset together.
Okay, let's go beach park.
We noticed that music. Hey, listen to it. We added music to beach park now.
Yeah.
Actually, can I help William?
No, it's just a short.
After the video.
Yes.
Wait.
You've also got to upload it on
Let's
YouTube.
do the new beach one. Actually, we added some fire. It will be a Harley Twins crazy coaster.
And this is ready for Harley Crazy. Come and sit next to me.
Also, you don't.
This used to be a channel if you don't know.
Yeah, there used to be a time where we don't have to delete that thing. So there'll be a walkway, scares. We just announced a scare zone for Horton Away. Horton Away will be the Horton.
Okay, here we go.
Oh my god. This will be a bit of a scene.
Let's go repeat. Here we go.
Here we go. Whee! Oh my god, this is going to be crazy. The final lap.
We're not break. So we gotta
Let's not break. We didn't add some breaks here in the
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, that was amazing. Happy Halloween! Let's do the end. We need to do the ending. Okay, ending time.
Ending time to bed. Ending of the bed right now.
Who are you?
Like that. Well, don't forget I updated my entrance.
Oh! Wow, so they used to be that way, but now they changed it.
It's bigger now.
What are you doing, William?
So here's the entrance. If you don't
You just look like that. We need to finish the white things.
Let's go to Night Sky Woods.
Yeah, and say goodbye to the and say wave goodbye.
Yes, for the video.
Yeah, for the video it was amazing. We'll just check out the auto. You didn't use POV cam in the beach one.
I did.
I did not. Okay, let's go to the entrance and stand here. Stand here with next to me.
For a picture.
No, there won't be a picture. We'll do a recording picture. If you leave a like.
No, not yet. We'll take a picture.
Take a picture together. A starlight.
3,
2, 1, starlight!
Yeah. Thank you for
whatever you did watching this vid.
Thank you for
and subscribe.
And please put a nation bell to
if you
never miss a video. And subscribe and like. And I'm going to say sub and like.
And let's do it.
And
Hashtag wave
ring
together. Hashtag
the
wave. No, yeah.
bell.
Ring.
Sub and like and
He wave. Do the wave. Let's do the wave. Do the wave. Let's do the waves together. 3,
2, 1. Just try. Just try that again. Just wait. Bye. Subscribe and like.
And you don't miss a new video and a robot.
And let's do a dance. Despacito, then was one despacito. A person has hit me. Subscribe and like to the channel.
Hit me.
And put a bell notification bell to never miss a video. Thank you. Anything I have to do. Stop laughing. I got. No, stop when you do it. Bye.